Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial of Practice It. Today we are going to be attempting exercise 3.13 called Pay. So let's read it. Write a method named Pay that accepts a real number for a TA's salary and an integer for the number of hours the TA worked this week, and return how much money to pay the TA. For example, the call Pay 5.5, 6 should return 33. However, the TA should receive overtime pay of 1.5 normal salary for any hours above 8. For example, the call Pay 4, 11 should return 4 times 8 plus 6 times 3 or 50. So let's dissect this problem. First, let's write the signature. So we want it to return a decimal number. So we know that the return should be double. The name is Pay with two parameters. The first one is a double, and it is going to be called salary, and then int hours. Now, the caveat here is that there are two cases that we need to be careful of. The first is if the number of hours that the TA works is above 8, and anything under that is going to be returning the hours times the salary, which is why 5.5 times 6 returns 33. So, as I just said, we are going to be checking if hours is greater than 8. And this is considered to be any hours over time. So if hours is indeed above 8, then you want to return, and let's just follow this formula right above here. It returns the salary, which in the example case is 4, times 8, because they're always going to be working more than 8 hours, so we just have to return the salary times 8, plus 1.5, which is the pay of 1.5 normal salary for any hours above 8, times salary, times hours minus 8. That's pretty simple, and that's for the overtime hours. Next, we are going to be going to any hours that are not overtime. So we're going to return hours times salary. Don't forget the curly braces. And just explaining this, this is the if-else statement, and returning just simple formulas that we can derive from what they give us here, as well as just multiplying the two together. If we submit, we have passed all 6 test cases. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we will see you in the next tutorial.